Hello, and welcome to another English lesson for third year high school. Today, we will be talking about the tips and tricks of marketing, which means we continue exploring the topic of advertising. My name is Irena Pavlović, and I will be your English teacher for the day. Today's lesson has two outcomes. By the end of the lesson, you will be able to analyze a text on marketing tricks and to suggest marketing strategies to influence individual behavior. In order to do that, you will have to do certain tasks. Make sure to have your notebook or a piece of paper and something to write with ready. You will also need a tablet or a computer with internet access. Remember, you can always pause the video or replay it to make sure that you understand everything completely. Now, let's go to our topic. Would you agree with the statement that adverts are everywhere, that they cannot be avoided? Or with the one claiming that the only aim of adverts is to persuade us to spend money on a product or a service? Do you agree that most adverts are deceptive? And would you say that advertisers use all kinds of tricks to manipulate people into buying a product? Think. Have you ever felt manipulated in order to buy a product or a service? What caused such a feeling? You're going to watch a video and see if you can relate to any of the described situations. Let's see. Are you familiar with any of the situations described in the video? Have you noticed those things before? Have they influenced or could they influence your buying habits? Think about it for a moment. Why do you think they do it? Let's watch the video once again and think of explanations for each of the situations described. Write your ideas down. Make sure to use the phrases that show cause and effect, like so that you, so you, in order to, it makes you, and so on. Let's see. Watch the video and think of explanations. So, let's compare. You're going to see another video which explains some of the tricks used in advertising industry. Analyze the explanations and compare them to your own answers. It would be interesting to see if you were right. Remember, you can always replay the video and go back to any parts that were unclear. Now, it's time to see what you think. How do the store layout and location of products affect customers' buying habits? Which examples of tricks of the senses can you now describe? Which of the described strategies affect the way we think and react? Those were the questions discussed in the video. And finally, we'd like to see which of the advertising strategies work best. Now it's time to pause the video and write down your answers. Let's see. How do the store layout and location of products affect customers' buying habits? Well, one of the potential answers was that the store or mall layout is confusing in order to force people to walk around more. That way, they will see more products and be tempted to buy them. Or, you could say that customers are more likely to buy the products they can easily notice, those on display or on shelves at eye level. Related products grouped together may influence people into buying more than a single item. For example, if you see pasta and a sauce together on the same shelf, you're likely to buy both, since they go together. Which examples of tricks of the senses can you describe? Well, the one we saw in the video had to do with the food. Food is always carefully arranged and displayed so that it looks fresh and tasty. They use special light for fruit and vegetables. They use beds of ice for seafood. They sprinkle produce with water, and so on. Smell is also important for triggering emotions. Food stores influence customers with the smell of fresh food, while other stores use different air fresheners to lure customers inside. Background music may direct customers toward different products. Just think of November and December and Christmas music in stores. Which of the described strategies affect the way we think and react? Well, the way prices are written makes us feel we spend less, while sales and discounts announcements can even make us feel like we are saving money. Relaxing music can make us walk more slowly and thus spend more time in the store and see more products. And now, the other way around. You have learned a lot about tricks used in the advertising industry to increase sales. Imagine you're a store owner. Choose what kind of a store you'd like to have and the product you'd like to sell. Think about the advertising tricks that could help you make more profit. Follow the link and share the strategies you think you should apply and explain how you would do that. Plan the layout of the store and think about specific signs and announcements you'd put up. Share your ideas with others. Why not comment on them as well? And finally, let's go to the assessment part. List 3 things from today's lesson you find the most interesting. Write down 2 things that made you reconsider your behavior. And choose 1 thing from today's lesson you think it isn't true. This way you will rethink the whole lesson once again. We've come to the end of our lesson today. I hope you found it interesting and that you will join us again next time. Enjoy the rest of your day. Bye.